Have you ever wondered about the unseen world? The one that exists just beyond the reach of our naked eyes? It's a realm teeming with life, a universe of intricate patterns and complex structures that only reveal themselves under the lens of a microscope. Today, we're going to dive deep into this fascinating world and uncover the hidden patterns of life, the ones that remain invisible until magnified. Our journey begins with a single drop of water. Seems simple, right? But place it under a microscope, and you'll find a bustling metropolis. Microorganisms like bacteria and protozoa come alive, each playing its role in a delicate ecosystem. The swirling patterns of these tiny creatures, their movements and interactions, are a testament to the dynamic nature of life itself. These aren't just random movements, they're governed by specific rules, responses to their environment, and the relentless pursuit of survival. Next, let's explore the world of cells, the fundamental building blocks of all living organisms. Plant cells, with their rigid cell walls, and chloroplasts reveal a geometric beauty. Animal cells, on the other hand, showcase a more fluid, dynamic structure. Zoom in, and you can see the intricate dance of organelles, each with a specific function, working in perfect harmony. These cellular structures, often appearing as precise, organized patterns, are essential for life. They are the factories, the powerhouses, and the communication centers of our bodies. Now let's turn our attention to the microscopic world of plants. Examine a leaf under a microscope, and you'll witness a world of veins and stomata, intricate networks designed for the efficient transport of water, nutrients, and gases. The arrangement of cells, the shapes of the leaves, even the tiny hairs that protect the plant are all patterns that have evolved over time, perfectly adapted to their environment. These patterns are not random, they are the result of natural selection, a testament to the power of evolution. Finally, let's explore the beauty found in the smallest of things, the viruses. Though often seen as threats, their structures under a microscope reveal mesmerizing designs. From the elegant symmetry of a spherical virus to the complex shapes of those that infect bacteria, their forms are nothing short of art. These patterns, though seemingly simple, are the key to their function, their ability to invade and replicate within a host. It's a reminder that even in the face of destruction, there's a pattern, a design, a form. So, the next time you look through a microscope, remember that you're not just looking at a magnified image. You're witnessing a world of hidden patterns, a world of intricate designs, a world of life that's far more complex and beautiful than you could ever imagine. It's a reminder that beauty and wonder can be found in the smallest of things. If only we take the time to look,